Sorry?
Sino ang umaatake sa inyo sa Senado?
But many, but definitely the mastermind. Hindi ba we've named it many times, and of course lumalabas ngayon sa hearing hanggang kay Mr. Zaldico. But wala naman, kayo ba naniniwala kayo hanggang dun lang yon? I don't think there's one mastermind. I think it is a group of people who came together, maybe stumbling into it. Yung latest ko narinig is that nalulun sa sugal sila Bryce at kailangan nila ng pera. So wala naman sa usapan Ghost, napunta sa Ghost, nagustuhan nila, natuto, in-export din nila sa ibang district engineer. That can be true or not. But until now, I have not heard from the DPWH, from the ICI, DOJ, or Ombudsman a working theory. Napaka-importante sa kahit anong investigasyon ng krimen, ano yung kwento, ano yung narrative, ano yung working theory. Kasi doon mo makikita yung motibo, di ba? And obviously, we have some people in our minds, but we'd rather the evidence speak for it. Hindi ako naniniwala doon sa mag-name ka muna to follow yung ebidensya. Doon ako sa lumabas muna yung ebidensya, tapos alam na natin kung sino.